Hi everyone, in this video we'll use the word 雪 which means snow and expand it to 8 new words. 下雪, 大雪, 滑雪, 雪人, 雪花, 雪球, 雪糕, and 雪白. Okay, now let's look at them individually. 下雪. 下雪 is a verb. 下 means down, 雪 means snow. 下雪 put in the context you can say 这个地方经常下雪 Snow coming down. What do you think 下雪 means? Yes, 下雪 means to snow. 大雪 大雪 is a noun. 大 is big, 雪 means snow. 大雪 put into context you can say 今年冬天下了好几次大雪 Big snow. What do you think 大雪 means? It's literal, referring to heavy snow. 滑雪 滑雪 can be a verb or a noun. 滑 means to slide. 雪 means snow. 滑雪 put into context you can say 他冬天经常滑雪 To slide on snow. What do you think 滑雪 means? Well, 滑雪 means to ski as a verb and skiing as a noun. 雪人雪人 is a noun. 雪 means snow. 人 is person. 雪人 put into context you can say 他喜欢在冬天堆雪人 Snow person. What do you think 雪人 means? Yes, 雪人 refers to a snowman. 堆雪人 in this example means to build a snowman. 雪花雪花 is a noun. 雪 means snow. 花 means flower. 雪花 put into context you can say 雪花从天上飘下来 Snow flower. What do you think 雪花 means? 雪花 means snowflake. Well, actually, a snowflake does resemble a flower if you look at it with a microscope. 雪球雪球 is a noun. 雪 is snow. 球 means ball. 雪球 put into context you can say 雪球越滚越大 Snowball. What do you think 雪球 means? Well, 雪球 literally translates as a snowball. This example means the more you rolled the snowball, the bigger it became. If you want to learn more about the 月 structure, you can check out the link below. 雪糕雪糕 is a noun. 雪 means snow. 糕 means cake. 雪糕 put into context you can say 他夏天经常吃雪糕或冰淇淋 Snow cake. What do you think 雪糕 means? 雪糕 refers to an ice cream bar. 雪白雪白 is an adjective. 雪 is snow. 白 means white. 雪白 put into context you can say 新娘穿着雪白的婚纱 Snow White. This may remind you of the character Snow White, but remember that this word is an adjective. What do you think 雪白 means? Well, 雪白 translates as snowy white, which is an extremely bright white, just like snow. But the character Snow White in Chinese is 白雪公主 Okay, this is a summary. You can take a screenshot and crop it out for your future reference. For more videos like this, you can check out the playlist here. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.